ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಲರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿತ್ ಸತೀಶ್. So a small conversation using the just 6 words. Which are the 6 words? Iddiya means you are there. Elli iddiya means where are you? Okay, and yenu, you know what is the meaning for yenu? What? Yenu amma. Amma means mummy. What mummy? Aita means has it done? Aitu, it's done. That's it. Only 6 words. Iddiya and elli iddiya. Yenu amma. Aita and then Aitu. Let's see how conversation we can practice. Mother says, Ramu, Ramu. Son is telling, Yenu amma. That means what mummy? Kya mummy? Mother says, Yelli idya. Where are you? Tum kahan ho? Son says, Amma, nanu room nalli iddini. Mummy, I am in the room. Okay, my room. ಕಮರೆ ಪರ್ ಹೂँ ಯಾ ಕಮರೆ ಮೇ ಹೂँ. ನೀನು ರೂಮ್లో ఉన్నాను, ನಾನು ರೂಮ್లో ಇರುಕ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ರೂಮ್లో ಆಣ to say. Mother says, Ramu, homework aita? Is the homework done? Son says, Aitu amma. Mother is telling, Snana aita? That means, did you take your bath? Is the bath is done? Aitu amma, it's done mummy. Breakfast aita? Aitu amma, it's done mummy. A simple conversation, isn't it? I hope this will be useful to you all. Please write your valuable comments. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ to all.